In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI, a powerful tool to boost your creativity and efficiency in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, Canva AI can help you create stunning visuals with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to Canva. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Make sure you're signed into your account so you have full access to all the features. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your creative hub for all your design projects. From the dashboard, look towards the top toolbar. You'll notice an option labeled Canva AI. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a world of AI-driven tools that Canva offers. These tools are designed to simplify your design process, offering new ways to create and edit your work with minimal effort and maximum impact. Now, it's time to pick a tool. You'll see a variety of options, each crafted to help you with different design tasks. Whether you're looking to create engaging social media graphics or professional presentations, there's a tool for you. Browse through the selections and choose the one that best aligns with your current project needs. The AI tools are intuitive and user-friendly, designed to empower you with creative control. As you start working with your chosen tool, Canva AI will provide several outputs. Take a moment to review these options. Each output is a unique interpretation based on your input, so don't be afraid to explore and experiment. Once you've found an output that closely matches your vision, click on it to bring it into your workspace. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can take advantage of Canva's rich editing features to refine and perfect your design. To further enhance your work, utilize the edit photo options available. These tools enable you to tweak images, adjust colors, and add effects, ensuring that your final design is polished and aligned with your creative vision. With just a few clicks, you can transform a basic template into a professional-grade design that stands out. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the Share button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Canva offers a variety of sharing and downloading options, so choose the format that best suits your needs. Whether you're downloading it for print or sharing it directly to social media platforms, Canva makes it easy to distribute your work. And there you have it. Using Canva AI can significantly speed up your design process while offering the flexibility and creativity you need to produce exceptional designs. Don't forget to explore other features within Canva AI and allow your creativity to flourish. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Canva AI.